it's Dr. Joseph Aiello again from San Diego Center for Integrative Medicine, and today I wanted to talk to you about platelet-rich plasma and facial PRP injections. Now, we use the platelet-rich plasma for facial PRP injections because the platelets actually help to regenerate the tissue of the face. It acts somewhat like a filler, but it's not exactly a filler. But it does help to regenerate the collagen under the skin and therefore help to build the tissue underneath. So it does help to reduce wrinkles, and it helps overall to generally improve and regenerate the look of the facial tissue. Very effective. And now at San Diego Center we have a new technique that we've extended. We just don't do the facial PRP. We also take growth factors, and we take a microneedling pen and we microneedle the growth factors into the dermis, that's the upper layers of the skin, in the areas that we want to inject the PRP, and then we inject the PRP underneath those areas. And what this does is it creates an injury to the tissues of the skin of the face, and this causes the body to create more collagen and more elastin, which then helps to regenerate and rejuvenate the skin, makes it look healthier, and the PRP underneath then helps to create more of that collagen. It's much more effective than just doing the PRP alone, and we love doing the technique. We use growth factors in a very thin gel, and it really is very nice. The other thing I wanted to talk about is Botox, because we don't do Botox at San Diego Center. I don't like Botox. I think there's an issue with Botox, and I think a lot of people are starting to see that issue, and that is that when you paralyze the muscles, which is exactly what Botox does, you're going to start to see muscle atrophy. And with that muscle atrophy, your face is not going to look the way that you're going to want it to look over time. And it may take a long time, but eventually over years, you'll see atrophy of the muscle in the facial tissues. The muscles of expression and the muscles that cause fullness to the face are going to start to atrophy, and you're not going to like the look of this. I think it's better to do a natural treatment like the platelet-rich plasma in a facial PRP. This helps to actually regenerate the tissues under the skin, and it just helps to create a more rejuvenated and a younger look and much longer lasting. Well, thank you very much. Anytime that you would like to get a consultation, please call the center.